In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your Wix website. Adding audio can be a great way to enhance the user experience on your site, whether it's background music, a podcast episode, or a unique sound effect that complements your content. Let's dive right into it. First, let's head over to your Wix website editor, open it up in your preferred web browser. Once you're inside, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side of your screen, a familiar place to any Wix user. Keep your attention there because that's where the magic happens. Now, looking at the menu, you should see a plus icon. Go ahead and click that. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your site, including audio. After clicking the plus icon, you'll want to hover your cursor over the video and music option. It's going to unlock another set of features tailored specifically for media. When you find video and music, hover your mouse over it. As you do so, a submenu will appear with more targeted options. Within this submenu, look for audio players. Hover over it to reveal even more choices. This area is where you'll pick an audio player suitable for your website's design and functionality needs. Take a moment to browse through the options available. Each comes with its own style and set of features. After you've chosen the ideal audio player, the next logical step is to integrate your audio file. For this, look for the Change Track button and give it a click. This action will lead you to your audio library, where you can manage all your audio tracks. Once you are in the audio library, you'll find the option to add a new track. This is where you'll upload the audio file you intend to showcase on your website. Simply click Upload Track and choose your audio file from your computer. It's a simple drag and drop action, so it shouldn't take long. With the audio file uploaded, don't forget to fill in the details such as the artist's name and track name if these apply. Adding these details is optional but can enhance the visitor's experience by providing more context about the audio they're hearing. Before leaving, you have additional playback options to consider. You can choose to have your track play just once or set it to loop continuously. Both have their own unique benefits depending on what suits your content better. For instance, background music often loops to maintain ambience without requiring manual intervention. And that's it. You've successfully added an audio element to your Wix website. Be sure to preview the changes to make sure everything looks and sounds the way you want it to. This simple addition can elevate the overall user experience on your site, making it more dynamic and engaging. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.